What's up, scholars? Here is a 15 volume and surface area. We're ending the week with a mix-up review. That's right, it's a mixture of question, whether it's a volume, it's asking you for surface area, or lateral surface area. So your objective is to find a volume or surface area of a three-dimensional shape by applying the formulas. Now, the deal is you got to read them carefully, show your work when you're doing this worksheet, because our video today is just on one simple question, which is actually the first question on your worksheet. So make sure you copy this over to your worksheet or in your notebook and submit it right back to me. So the first question on your worksheet goes something like this, and then the others you are going to read and complete on your own and make sure you show your work. Alrighty. It says, as shown in the company diagram, which is the diagram on your right, the length, the width, and the height of Richard's fish tank are 24 inches, 16 inches, and 18 inches respectively. That's the measurement for his fish tank. Richard is filling up his fish tank with water from a hose that goes at 50 cubic inches per minute. How long will it take to the nearest minute? So we're looking at nearest minute to fill up the fish tank to the depth of 15 inches. Now, what does that shape look like for the fish tank? What three-dimensional shape are we looking at? Excellent, it's a rectangular prism. You guys are killing it. So that's length times width times height. So here, the volume, the length is 24. The width is, read the question, 16. The depth of it, the height of it is 18, but I'm only concerned with when it's at 15. So for height, I'm going to use 15. Be careful, not the 18. 18 means the fish tank is going to be filled all the way to the top. Now, if I do this math in my head, of course I'm doing this in my head, it's 5,760, right? That's the amount of inches cubed. That's the amount of space, that's the amount of water. And this hose is pumping water at 500 inches cubed per minute. So what I need to do is divide this guy by the 500 inches cubed per minute. I just like to write that because these will cancel, and if I'm doing this math again in my head, of course I am, 5,760 divided by 500 is 11.52 minutes, but the question also asks you nearest minute. So if I was to take this guy and round it up, right, because I'm looking at a 5, the number there is 1, it goes up, it will be 12 minutes. So for me, the fullest fish tank up to 15 inches, a depth of 15, it's going to take me, well, not me, but it's going to take Richard to do that 12 minutes. Alrighty. So today lesson, we're wrapping up Friday. We're ending on a very, culminating kind of like review. I want to be able to tell what misconceptions you're having. Now, in doing that, I'm going to stress how important it is that you've got to show me all your work. This is affecting some of your grades, so please show all the work so I can see misconceptions, address those with you. Okay? Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend.